what you can tell to others also. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್, ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೇ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ನೂನ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವೆ. ಓಕೆ? Yes, as usual, we were focusing our daily routine already from last 6 to 7 months. I was telling you the same thing about your good habits. Yes, no? Every day what and all you have to do? You have to wake up early and you have to sleep early. And you have to read at least 3 hours in a day. Every day you have to take bath. You have to brush twice in a day. Once when you get up in the morning and once before going to bed. Then in the mid of the meals you need to wash your mouth with clean water with lot of gargling. Every day drink more than 3 glasses of warm water and plenty of water. Cold water. Cold water in the sense not that much busy, means hot, not that much thandage andre cold. Okay? Then what else? Trim your nails once in a week and trim your hairs once in a month. Then keep your all internal parts, that too your private parts, always clean and hygiene. Wear washed clothes every day when you after taking your bath. When you want to go to the school or if you want to go to the outside, then you should always wear iron glass and which should be fit to you. Don't wear like a unmatched clothes. Some people will do what they will tell, no my child, no one will see like that, and they will wear a pink top to a yellow pant. It's a very odd match. Don't wear like that. You always wear a set and pleasant looking clothes on the children. Then what else? Eat plenty of vegetables and fruits every day and rich in minerals and fibers. Every day you have to eat lot of rice and chapati also. Don't do any diet plans and don't tell I will not eat this one, that one. I know children, always you take some options. Like some children will not eat the idlis, some will not eat uppit. Like that they will have their own taste. Please don't do that like that, because all the food have its own importance. Okay? Do all these things every day, you will be very happy. Today I am going to do some revision about before going to bed. What you will do at night. Okay, before going to bed, it's a part of your EVS, so I am discussing the same thing in your basic routine only. Okay, before going to bed, what you have to do and how you should get ready for the bed. Okay, yes, some will maintain their own routine, unique routine. For example, some before going to bed they will take a fresh bath and they will change their all the clothes and they will wear the fresh clothes and then they will go to sleep. Some people what they will do, they will not take a bath and all, but they will wash their face, again they will brush their teeth, again they will wash their hands and legs, and then they will go to sleep. Some people don't do all these things. At least they will wash their face and brush their teeth and go to bed. Some bad people will be there. They will not maintain any cleanliness. Just they will eat and wash their hands and then they will go and sleep on the bed. This is bad, children. Don't do like this. Try to take the bath, especially in summer season, because all your skin pores will be opened with lot of sweat. So before going to bed, try to take a bath, especially in summer season, because that time your body will be sweated, no, it will be stinging. Then if you take a bath with a mild soap and all, the fragrance will be good and you get a light energy before going to bed. You can sleep very nicely, children. Try this one, especially in your summer season. sun. Okay, then what else? Yes, yes. As I told you, brush your teeth and wash your face also, and apply a moisturizer every day. Before going to sleep, you apply a moisturizer like Pond's, anything else. So many brands are there in the market. You use which is suitable for you, especially the baby care products. Okay? Then you go to bed. Before going to bed, what you have to do now? You have to wind up all your books. Yes, no, you should not put your books here and there, the toys here and there. In the morning when your mama will get up, she will be fed up of seeing all these things. So you do your homework. You can wind up all your books in the reading table. On the reading table you can arrange it, or the place where it is kept for the books only. Okay, then also wind up all your toys and keep it in their place. Yes? Yes. Then what else, children? Yes, make your bed yourself. Yes, no? You should not always take the help of your mama in making the bed. What is that making the bed? Yes, you arrange your pillows in the direction where you sleep. Then you take a small towel and then what you have to do? You swipe the blanket, because from the morning you will be jumping on that. No, that's why I am telling. Try to mop the bed sheet before sleeping on the bed. If possible, you change the bed sheet, or you may use a new bed sheet on that every day. Okay? Then make your own blanket to sleep. Okay? You just open the blanket, keep it in a arranged form, and before sleeping you can use that. The main thing is, children, before sleeping, please pray to God and you ask the God to give you a nice dream in your sleep. Okay? I hope you understood before sleeping what you have to do. Yes, I forgot to tell you, you apply the moisturizer not only for the face, you have to apply your hands also, your legs also. It will improve your moisture, the wetness inside the skin, and keep it always moist. So the agingness will reduce. Okay, understood? Yes. Shall we start our class? Okay. As usual, first I'll start with what? English. Okay. In the English, yesterday we learned blends or diagram. Correct, no? Blends or diagram. Already we learned the blend of which family? L family we learned. What are those? BL, CL, GL, FL, SL. Correct, no? Yes. These blends we learned till yesterday. We learned lot of revision also I did in the L family. Children, I am telling you again and again, not only don't see the video or don't write with the blinding the homework and all. Just you read the words, you understand how it came, how it generated, how the phonic sound came. Then you start writing. Blindly you don't write your homework, children. Okay? Yes? Yes. The blends, every time I am telling you, again I am telling you, blends is nothing but the combination of two letters or two alphabets or two consonants, anything may be. It is a blending of two letters to generate a new letter. Okay? It will give you a new phonic sound also. Understood? Yes. Today we are going to learn the blends of R. R blends. Can anyone tell me what are the R blends? Any guesses? Yes, like L blend lines only, we can use the letters for the R also. Okay. In the L, we learn B, L. Here we are going to write B, R. Okay. B, R. B blend with R. What will comes? Br. Okay. Like brain. Brain. Broad. Broom. Braid. Braid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಜಡೆಗೆ braid ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Brain, broad, broom, braid. Brain, broad, broom, brain. Braid. Okay. Like that, the another one family C, R. Okay. C, R. C आगे cr. It makes a sound cr. Crow. Crown. Crate. Crab. Crow, crone, crown, crate, crab. See, the C make a sound k. R make a sound r. K, r, kr. K plus r. How you pronounce C plus R? C make a sound k. R make a sound r. Okay. These two sound makes a one phonic sound, that is kr. This is called a blend. Here both will combine to make one single phonic sound. Understood, children? Yes. As usual, we will go through the book Discover Phonic. What they are given, just we will go to that. Page number 8. Discover Phonic. Page number 8. What they are given there? The blends of B. Braid, brain, bride, broom. Brain, bride, broom. CR. In the CR, what they are given? Crab, crane, crate, cream. Here I have written some other. You can write this one also. You can read this one also, because this is my own words what I have written. You can write here. You can learn from this book also. No problem. Okay. What is the homework? Read. Read aloud. Okay. This is your homework. Read aloud. Discover Phonic book. Page number 8. Book 5. Page number 8. One homework is over. The another homework is in your phonic activity book, page number 41. Okay. What you have to do? First you have to write your name. Next you have to put the date and you have to write the spellings what they are given. Again I am telling you, just look into that word how they are given. See, for example, B, they have started from the red line and completed in the blue line. Next R, within the blue line they have written. Like that only you have to write. The first thing they are given braid, brain, bride, broom. Next one crab, crane, crate and the cream. This is the words what you have to write. Understood, children? This is the two homeworks what you have to write. Okay. With that, the next homework is in your 4 lines book. Write the heading what? Are blends. You have to write the heading are blends and you have to write 4 words for each blend. Yes, understood? These are the 3 homeworks. Okay, 4 lines book. Your homework book is there. No, in that what you have to do 4 words for each blend. For example, for BR, CR, any words you can take. Not only what I written here or what is there in the book, but you can search in the Google also or YouTube also. You get so many words which is very familiar to your tongue. See, if I tell the crow, it is familiar for you. Cream, it is familiar for you. Like that, pick the words and you have to write the 4 words for each blend. Only the R blends, BR and CR. Okay, understood? Yes, this is your language class. In that, another part is there. That is what? Yes, your guessing is correct. That is sight words. Sight words. Today in the sight words we are going to learn me. Me andre yaru? Nanu. Nanu. Nanige ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಐ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀ. ಮೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು. Sentence, I make some sentence. Me and my mom went to market. Okay, this is one. Okay, yes, this is me and my mom went to market. Okay, this is one sentence. Next one, what we can write for me? Nanu anage look at me. Look at me ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು. ನಾವು ಬೈತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, look at me ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. So look at me. Okay, yes, look at me. This is also one sentence for the sight words. You can refer so many. If you know, you just learn this one. Shall we move to another class? Yes, we will move to a maths class. In the maths, we are doing only the revision, children. Yesterday, in the sense, in the Monday, we learned the numbers from 81 to 90. Correct. Today, I am going to revise you the number names from 1 to 20. Okay? Yes. 1, ONE 1, 2, TWO 2, 3, THREE 3, 4, FOUR 4, 5, FIVE 5, 6, SIX 6, 7, SEVEL 7, 8, EIGHT 8, 9, NINE 9 and 10. Yes, I have done the revision from 1 to 10. Yes, understood? Already you know, just for your reference I have done this on my curriculum basis. And yesterday what you learned? The numbers from 81 to 90. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 number tens and behind. Here, see, I'll draw some what circle here. Okay, one. Can anyone count this? Yes, I will count here with the help of pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many are there? 12. We are going to learn 10 and beyond. One second, I'll run this. Okay, 10 and beyond. Andre 10 10ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 10 10ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಕೆ 10ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 10 10ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ 10 after that the remaining number will go okay what is this first you have to do count the 10 how many are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and make one bundle of 10 how you make one big circle like this okay here two circles small circles are out of the big circle okay this bunch is called 10 correct no ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ yes ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಇಂದ ಆಚೆ ಇದೆ I'll show another one example I'll draw some trees here okay one Okay, now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trees are there. Correct? Now what you have to do? You have to write 10 and behind. Means for 10 you have to make one bundle. ಆಯ್ತಾ 10ಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ you count I'll take a down count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 I'll make one bundle like this see can you count this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 here 10 trees are in one bundle and 4 is out of the bundle this is called the 10 and behind you understood no children yes the homework is in your maths workbook page number 22 okay page number 22 you have to do numbers 10 and behind how you do make sets of 10 of each objects you have to there given some pictures there first you count the 10 and put one circle like this then how much it will come out that you just see it's like a fun okay yes now we will move to next class that is our EVS okay EVS what we were learning about day and night yesterday in the sense Monday day we learned the day. Today we are learning little about the night. What is the night? Night means very dark. Correct? No? What you see in the night? We will see the moon. Afterwards, what you see? The stars. Correct? No? Then what you see? Yes, owl. Then what is in the night? It's very cool. What else? In the night? Yes, you see the light bulbs. Correct, Anna? Light bulbs. Then in the night, what you see again? Yes, dark, moon, stars, owl, cool, light bulbs. This is what you see in the night times. Yes, no? What do you can you know? Do you know something little more about the moon? Yes. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ ಚಂದ್ರ ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಗುಂಡಗೆ ದಪ್ಪಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Sometimes it will be like this. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? Why the moon is like this? It is like a full moon. Stages in the moon. Why it is like this? Yes, once in a month the moon will grow bigger and bigger and bigger. That day is called a full moon, and in one day you can't see the moon on the where? On the sky. The moon will be very dark. That day is called a which day? Amavasya. Okay, in that day there will be lot of darkness. Okay, this is the stages of full moon. The moon will grow bigger and bigger once in a 15 days, and automatically it will come smaller and smaller once in a 15 days. Andre 28 days alli one day will be the full moon and one day will be the black what little moon. We can tell it as a little moon. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೂನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ, ಅವತ್ತು ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಂದ್ರ ದಿನದಿಂದ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is little about moon. Yesterday also you learned the same thing. Yes? Yes. Okay? Okay children, hope today you learned little about the EVS, Maths, 10 and behind. You just practice. Yesterday also I taught you the same thing. You learn it regarding that.